In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox background. So I'm going to show you how to change it on a desktop. As you can see, I'm at the desktop version right now. And when I go to the home screen, you can see it's completely plain. It's completely white and very boring. And there is no way to change the background within Roblox. So you have to do the following thing. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser and then go to the web browser of Chrome. So you want to go type in web store and this is what comes up. You want to go to the site and search for stylish custom themes. You want to hit this and then this is the one. You want to hit it and then hit add to Chrome over here. Add extension and now it's going to add. As you can see, this may take a while, but it shouldn't take more than a few seconds. And now you can set it up. So you want to hit next and you can set up the skin, the theme for Roblox or for any website. So you can search for Roblox and then you can see all these different kind of sites. You can use it for any site. Top styled site, Google, YouTube, Facebook. You can also style these websites and you can also change the background of Roblox. So it's going to search for Roblox themes. As you can see, here are some themes and some also are for Roblox. So this one is for Roblox, this one, basically anyone you can use for Roblox. So let's say I want to select this one. You can just hit it and then hit install style and now it's going to install. And when you go to Roblox and you refresh, as you can see, now I'm using this theme. So you can use any theme, any style, and you can customize, even make a known style by hit create new style. So you can even customize it. It's a really cool app and this is great. I love it and it looks way better than the plain white background. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time.
Bye.